What if I told you that 85% of jobs that will exist in 2030 haven't even been invented yet? While everyone's panicking about AI stealing their jobs, the World Economic Forum just dropped research that will completely flip your perspective on AI and employment. This will blow your mind, because the biggest AI job myth isn't just wrong, it's dangerously backwards. Because what I am about to show you isn't just optimistic fluff, it's hard data that reveals why this myth is actually hurting your career more than helping it. Welcome back to AI Mode, where we separate AI facts from fiction. I'm your host, and today we re-tackling the mother of all AI myths. AI will replace all jobs. Now, before you click away thinking this is just another don't worry, be happy take, stick with me. Maybe you've seen those viral videos of robots doing surgery, AI writing code, or chatbots handling customer service. So naturally, we think, if AI can do this task, it can do my entire job. Maybe your company just announced they're exploring AI solutions, and suddenly everyone's updating their LinkedIn profiles. Let's be honest, you've probably lost sleep over this. Their conclusion: AI will eliminate 85 million jobs by 2027, but a plot twist, it will create 97 million new ones. That's a net gain of 12 million jobs, and honestly, the media doesn't help. Clickbait headlines about AI taking over get more views than nuanced analysis. Instead, it replaces specific tasks within jobs. On average, AI affects about 30% of tasks in any given role, but rarely eliminates the entire position. Here's why this myth feels so real. AI genuinely is automating specific tasks. We see it everywhere: self-checkout machines, AI customer service, automated manufacturing. It eliminated manual calculations, which freed accountants to focus on analysis, strategy, and client relationships. When her company introduced AI content tools, she was terrified. This AI can write blog posts faster than me, she thought. I'm done for. Data entry clerks, some manufacturing roles, basic customer service. These are seeing real displacement. The key word is routine. It was largely abandoned because it couldn't match human doctors' intuition, experience, and patient interaction skills. Instead, AI became a diagnostic aid, helping doctors make better decisions faster. The result: more demand for skilled accountants, not fewer. The workers thriving in the AI age aren't those fighting technology, they're those leveraging it. These are uniquely human capabilities: emotional intelligence, creative problem solving, ethical reasoning, complex communication, and adaptability. The question isn't whether AI will change your job, it's whether you'll change with it. What got you hired 5 years ago might not keep you employed 5 years from now. But here's the good news. AI is also making learning more accessible and personalized than ever. That creates real challenges for retraining, economic adjustment, and social support systems. That's a legitimate concern that deserves serious policy attention. We've survived every technological revolution so far, and we've generally emerged more prosperous, not less. The key is preparation, not panic. An AI can write a report, but it can't navigate office politics, inspire a team, or comfort a frustrated customer. Interpret results and apply insights creatively. Am I saying AI will never eliminate jobs? Of course not. Technology has always created economic disruption. The Industrial Revolution eliminated millions of agricultural jobs. But now you know what most people do'n't. AI is more likely to be your colleague than your replacement. The internet killed entire industries like travel agents and video rental stores. If you're a writer, learn how to use AI for research and first drafts. AI isn't just changing what jobs exist. It is changing what it means to be human at work. We're moving from a world where humans compete with machines to a world where humans and machines collaborate. Spoiler alert, the truth is both more boring and more fascinating than you think. I'm exposing the biggest AI myths one by one, and trust me, some of them will shock you even more than this one. If you're in finance, master AI analytics tools. See you next week, and remember, in the age of AI, knowledge isn't just power, it's job security. If you're in customer service, focus on complex problem solving and relationship building. Tesla's Gigafactory initially tried to automate everything. Elon Musk himself admitted they went too far with automation and had to bring humans back into the process. Why? Because humans excel at adaptability, problem solving, and handling unexpected situations. Hit that notification bell because AI myths are spreading faster than facts, and you don't want to be caught believing the next piece of misinformation. She redirected that time to strategy, client relationships, and creative campaigns. And now you have the knowledge to evolve with it. Her productivity skyrocketed, her job satisfaction increased, and here's the kicker: her company promoted her to senior marketing director 6 months later. But here's where it gets interesting. That's like saying because calculators can do math, mathematicians became extinct. Spoiler alert, they didn't. The myth persists because of something psychologists call automation bias. We overestimate what machines can do and underestimate what humans bring to the table. You won't believe what they found. Companies using AI increased their workforce by an average of 12%. Not decreased, increased. Now, let me hit you with some facts that might surprise you. Its recent study followed 1,000 companies that implemented AI over 3 years. But wait, there's more. The World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report 2025 analyzed 803 companies across 27 countries. Here's the part that really challenges assumptions. Professor Eric Brynjolfsson from Stanford, one of the world's leading AI economists, found that AI doesn't typically replace entire jobs. Think about it like this. When Excel was invented, it didn't eliminate accountants. Let me tell you about Sarah, a marketing manager at a mid-sized company. But here's what actually happened. Sarah used AI to handle first drafts and research, which freed up 40% of her time. Or consider the healthcare sector. IBM's Watson for Oncology was supposed to replace oncologists in diagnosing cancer. Massive investment, years of development, the result. Even in manufacturing, the poster child for automation, the story is more complex. But here's where I need to be balanced with you. Some jobs genuinely are at risk. Routine, predictable tasks are being automated. So what does this mean for you? Here's your action plan. First, stop panicking and start adapting. Second, focus on developing what I call AI-resistant skills. Third, embrace continuous learning. The half-life of skills is shrinking. Here is a shocking truth. The biggest career risk isn't AI replacing you. It's you being replaced by a human who knows how to use AI effectively. Now, let me address the elephant in the room. The difference is pace and scale. Previous technological revolutions happened over decades. AI is happening in years. Some economists, like Oxford's Carl Benedict Frey, argue that this time genuinely is different because AI can automate cognitive tasks, not just physical ones. But here's what history teaches us. Humans are remarkably adaptable. Here is something that might surprise you. Google's internal data shows that their most valuable employees aren't the ones who can code the best AI. They are the ones who can ask the right questions. Comment below if you believed AI would replace all jobs. I bet most of you did before this video. That's totally normal. The real truth is far more interesting than the myth. If this video is surprising you, you'll love what's coming next. In the next video, I will be tackling the myth that AI is conscious and can think like humans. Don't get fooled by the next AI headline. Subscribe to AI Mode and join the family who knows the real truth about artificial intelligence. Remember, the future belongs to those who understand AI, not those who fear it. Your job isn't disappearing, it's evolving. The question isn't whether AI will change your career. The question is, will you be ready when it does? Thanks for watching AI Mode, where we keep you informed about AI reality.